What's going on, guys? It's your boy Nate, back with another video. I know I haven't posted in a while, but I've been busy doing things, personal life, yada yada yada, boring stuff. Anyways, we're going over to Berlin Klassik today. It's 5 a.m. still dark. Yeah, so by the time I get there, it should be a little lighter outside because I'm an hour away, and then you can meet the boys. Let's go. Look, we just pulled up. 6 Fix detailing.
Okay.
Gee, what you saying, bro?
What's up, brother? You saying, dog?
Okay.
Yo, both of you are aired out, of course.
Yeah. Dang. Brushed aluminum finish.
You don't have a lighter, bro?
Probably.
You guys good light?
Fans rolling through. Okay. It's about time. You guys are hella late.
It's okay, bro. Better late than never.
Yo! Yo, you woke up?
What's up, bro?
You're alive?
Oh, fuck. I didn't sleep, bro.
What's up? Hello. Hi. Nice to meet you.
Natalia.
Natalia? Okay, nice to meet you. Kev! What's going on, man? Bro, did you clean your car, bro?
Bro, we're gonna get food, bro. McDonald's right there.
Oh my god.
I already sent my
I didn't wash my car. When you have to get 94 gas and all the homies are waiting for you. Yeah. Put your roof down, bro. We had to get off the highway. His front lip started hanging. We got Chris, the mechanic, here helping him out. Chris always bringing his tools. Holy. You enjoying the ride? Jeez. Yeah, I think now we have to fly, bro.
Hell no, bro.
Yeah, they're all broken. Look.
You might come out.
Yeah, just pull it on it, I think. Look, they're all broken. Yeah, there you go. Back on the road. Let's fucking go. Just got to the car wash. Fucking huge lineup. 6 Fix about to help us out. Oh, yo, what's up? I was like, yo, this car looks familiar.
What's up?
You good?
Yeah.
Nice.
Got here?
Yeah, I just got here. Alright, we finally arrived after a 3-hour drive. Lit. Now we're just sitting in the sun because we came super late. Everybody's out here. Volkswagens, Beamers, Benzes, Euro show. It's gonna be crazy. Downtown Toronto. The lineup is lit. Spot.
Walk it like I talk it. 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 Walk it like I talk it.
It's hot as hell. We're sitting in a car, running that AC. Yo, man, how long are we gonna stay here, bro? It's a 2-day show. The judge is judging.
When are they gonna judge my car, bro?
Judge is judging her car, bro. Hopefully he comes over here
I'm
next.
trying to buy some food.
Look at this guy.
Oh, he's right there.
They always pick old judges that only like muscle cars.
Old judge, old car.
Yeah.
If I can give her a high score, try to hit.
Making it? Oh, shit, I think she fully seen me.
Recording her, bro. Nah, 10. Look. No, she fully seen me.
I gotta stay in my zone. Say that we been beefing, dog, but you on your own. First night, she gon' let me fuck cause we grown. I hit her, gave her back to the city, she home. That was bad, so I can't be beefing with no bad nigga. Got no backbone. Heard you living in a mansion and all your raps.
That is nice.
Yo, just see rapping.
No,
That is. That's you. That's my rap. That's your rap is here.
he stole your rap.
Fucking bitch, bro.
He just pulled it off your car.
You're a bitch.
No. Oh, yo, stop pissing off your girl, bro.
Okay, yeah. Yo, come 1 second.
Stop pissing your girl off, bro.
Fucking come 1 second,
Okay,
man.
man. I'm not recording that.
Yo, she's hungry.
I'm not recording that, bro. She's getting pissed. Wow, look at this E36 M3. I miss mine. Look at this, bro. Hardtop. Yeah.
To my knowledge, that I forgot to mention that there is a beer area. There's a drag strip, a beer drinking area.
Walk it like I talk it.
Probably get drinks on.
That is nice. With the cars. Look at this guy. He just comes out of corners like, where you coming from, bro? Right up. What are you guys doing? What's going on here?
Pre-drinking.
Put the bottle here.
A whole lot of illegal activities going on.
No. Because I want to take my camera, so.
Let me see.
makes sense
Where's the
if you're-
bottle?
Here,
Inside there, I'm gonna bring that.
Oh, boy. Yo, but you know they can ask you to open your bag?
Yeah.
Well, I can come
I
suck
can
my
tell them
dick.
to go and fuck themselves.
It's that beach life.
Oh, Nate, by the way, this
Yo.
is a bitch.
This is a what?
A bitch.
A bitch? This is a bitch?
This is a bitch.
And now we're going back to the hotel to pre-drink. Everybody's confused. I can't fit!
Sean didn't pick up?
No. Cooking, bro.
What? What are you doing?
You just got that on video. He's probably gonna watch the
God, bro. Oh yeah.
No. You think you're a barbarian? This guy's drunk! Yo, stop. Yo, the manager is watching you, bro. at this, bro. That's sick.
Shorty, I thought never caught a feeling this hard.